dinosaur.
That's me, and welcome to my digital memorabilia, a space where I keep my little fragments of life. One thing you should know about me is I love exploring new places. This is life at 22.
Guys, 10:14. 14 is cafe. Last one. It's actually pretty cute. This is the London Court. We have this truffle pasta, mango something, and strawberry matcha. I'm gonna try this strawberry matcha. I can't taste the matcha, but it's good. It's sweet. Maybe because of the soy milk. I don't know. But I kind of like it. I'm gonna try the pasta. Excited. If I'm gonna rate this truffle pasta, it's gonna be a 9. It's actually pretty good. We're going to Cottesloe Beach. Still a 10-minute walk. Daming tao dito sa Cottesloe, so ang hirap maghanap ng spot. Natitempt ako mag-swim. I mean, ready ko naman yung self ko dito. Pero pwede rin naman ako mag-read lang. That's a cute one. Ito na yung pinaka nalilim na spot na nakita. Ate, hindi na ko aesthetic yung So, lumipat ako sa mas malilim na talaga. Actually, cute naman siya. Kaya na ako dito. Wow. The view, you guys. Eto pa. I don't know how easy. That's okay. ako dito ng mga 7. Tapos sobrang pagod ko galing sa beach. So, humiga agad ako. Tapos, sabi ko, i-dip lang ako kasi ang dami ko pang need gawin. Tapos, kailangan ko rin ayusin yung itinerary ko for today kasi this is gonna be a long day, you guys. Kasi, ngayon yung check-out natin ng 10 a.m. Pero yung flight ko mamaya is 11:30 pa. So, we have a lot of time to explore city, which is good. But, syempre, kailangan kong planuhin yung time, kung saan ako pupunta, para hindi ako pabalik-balik, ganun. And, nakasulat naman na medyo ayusin na lang. Yun sana yung gagawin ko kagabi. Pero, sabi ko, i-edit lang ako ng 10-15 minutes. Ate, pwede na yung hour. Nakatulog ako mga 8, tapos nagising ako 5 a.m. Currently, 6:14 a.m. And bala ko sana, ili akong matcha, tapos maglalakad ako papunta sa beach. Naisip ko kanina pagising ko, hala maganda mag-beach to sunrise. So yun sana yung gagawin ko. Kaya lang, hindi ko siya magawa kasi kailangan ko pa mag-pack. Tapos after nun, maliligo pa ako. Kailangan ko maligo ngayon kasi bukas, yung makaligo, diretso Sydney na ulit ako. At least nasulit ko tong room. Ganda ng room actually. I recommend this. The only thing na siguro magkaka-problem yung iba is yung noise outside. Sobrang rinig. Pero sa akin okay lang naman siya. Not a problem for me. So we're gonna try this coffee thing. And then, what? Ito. May tubig. Pero naman. Ito ata espresso. See, nag-open. Ganun pala. Medyo buo na tayo. Okay na ba yun? Or do I need to press it one more time? Okay, now we're gonna make coffee. Milk. We're gonna test them out kasi sayang naman yung binayad natin. Pupour natin siya dito. Hi guys, can you see the sea? So pretty.
Some kind of beautiful. The signal finds me glowing in the sky. Maybe it's worth it though. You bend the light, the way you move is magic. And the fever's automatic. I don't care.
Ito guys, hindi to sa ferment. Hindi siya dito sa pallet. Hi guys, yan yung pinaglaruan ng volleyball. Larab, dyan ginanap yung competition. And may nakita kasi akong dagat somewhere there. So we're gonna check it out. Kasi kahapon nung maglalakad ako papuntang train station, nakita ko to. I don't think it's ocean. Maybe lake. We're gonna check it out. Wala. Nakita ko yung upuan na yun, may tao pala. So dun tayo sa kabilang bench. But ito yung view guys. If you want some nature or something. Ito yung view guys. I trust nakita niya yan. Ay, ako umupo sa bench pala kasi ang init. Hirap naman ito. Hirap pala mag-vlog, no? Ito yan siya. Grabing view yan. Oh. Na yung upuan, tas ayan yung view mo.
Meanwhile.
Wow. Check out yung may bubong. Doon ako tatambay. Para hindi mainit. Alam mo, God bless na lang talaga sa mga accommodation na pwedeng mag-iwan ng luggage. Super nakaka-help sa guest. Like, prosperity for your business, guys. Sa dalawang pinagstayan ko, nagpag-iwan sila. Convenient niya. Kasi hindi na ako magbabayad ng luggage fee. So, ang saya. Kasi ate, ito ang outfit ko. Tapos, may luggage. parang hindi naman aesthetic. Eto pwede pa dito. Kapag dito ka umupo, kita mo yung tanawin. But we're gonna check that out muna. This is the should. Ito na yung last day ko here in Perth. And ayun, my take on Perth. Guys, ang ganda dito. Bukod sa parang Pinas yung weather, sanay ako. Alam mo yun, makakaligo ka ng malamig na tubig. Tapos, sa time zone din, same sa Pinas, which is good. Ang ganda lang. Hindi ko alam, pero ganun yung, tuwing nagtatravel ako, parang, ay, ang ganda dito. Pero, sa Sydney, ganun din ako, maganda. Pero parang hindi ko naman inisip na, ay, sana dito ako tumira, ganun. Pero dito parang, gusto ko, hindi ko alam. Pero maganda siya, yung Perth. Feeling ko, if given a chance, babalikan ko talaga to. Kasi ang dami ko pang hindi na-explore na places. Ang mahal lang talaga ng flights nila. Feeling ko if hindi dito volleyball competition sila, hindi ko to pupuntahan kasi ang mahal ng flight. Pero I'm so grateful na I hit two birds with one stone kasi nood na ako ng volleyball ni Rob and nasuportahan ko siya sa volleyball niya. Tapos, I can travel alone then and explore Perth. So, that's really amazing. And I can put on some cute outfit. Feeling ko magkaka-vacation blues. Magkaka-vacation blues ako pag uwi ng Tasmania kasi sobrang tahimik. Dito sa Perth, sakto lang yung tahimik. Kung sino Melbourne, medyo nakaka-overstimulated. Dito, sakto lang. Tapos, nung pagdating ko kasi dito, dumating ako guys, mga 11 PM na. Tapos, bumiyahe pa ako. So, 12 AM na ako nakadating sa accommodation ko. 12:30, mga ganun. But I didn't feel scared kasi ang daming kabataan. Ang daming young people na nasa labas pa kasi nagbabar sila. So, I think good thing din na Saturday yun. Friday, Saturday kasi yun yung usually na bar time nila. So, ayun. Ang ganda sa Perth. Parang ayaw ko pa umalis pero wala na. Yun na yun eh. But, we're gonna make the most out of it. Anong oras na ba? 2 na. So, I'm gonna try to do a little fit check lang before I go to the bus stop. And then we're going back to Fremantle, which is doon ako nagstay. And super ganda ng suburb na yon. I'll recommend. Ang dami ko pang hindi nalilibot doon. So, yun. Lilibutin natin siya. Ayoko pa umuwi. Hey guys, we're waiting for the bus. Sobrang init. Okay, I'm gonna trust. I'm gonna have faith. Pero ayan siya. Hail bus. So, we better be right. Okay guys, ayan na yung bus. Tama naman. So guys, we're here sa ating cafe na ito-try. Ito siya. DaRawNature. If I were to describe this whole trip in one word, it would be self-discovery. The thought of being alone was definitely scary, at least for me. I've always preferred having people to go with. But this trip proved the opposite. It showed me that being with yourself can be just as fulfilling. Walking hand in hand on our way. I learned that it wasn't as frightening as I thought it would be. Sometimes, you just have to give yourself the grace to try, to step into something unfamiliar and see for yourself. It's about leaning into that discomfort and gently nurturing it until you feel comfortable enough to sit with it. Let the quiet find the pieces of you and teach you to appreciate your own company.
Because little by little, you begin to understand yourself more, discovering things you didn't know before, creating peace within, and building comfort in your own solitude. So I'd say this trip truly solidified my relationship with myself, and in many ways, it felt liberating.
I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it says on the book that life is a series of pulls back and forth. You want to do one thing, but you are bound to do something else. Something hurts you, yet you know it shouldn't. You take certain things for granted, even when you know you should never take anything for granted.
I used to bounce on knees, fresh from the oven, chubby and carefree. I had a mind at ease. Now I oversee the trees, birds and the beasts and the man and his empty deeds. I see everything. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't I saw the eyes of the maker, heard a rushing sound, caught up in the wheel going round and round, spun like gold from the shining ground. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down.
Hello you guys. So we're gonna remove our contact lens because I think it's time. So that's what you look like. Guys, hanggang Sydney na tong face lagi na to. My takeout of cookies and croissants. Parang kakapasok lang ba lang? Goodbye.